way, my Camino. And this morning left Puente la Reina, and we're now heading west. I haven't booked anything tonight, so I'm just going to see where the Camino takes me and let the Camino provide. Hopefully this will be the last time I'll do this on my phone, because I'm going to try and get a new SD card today now that it's over the Easter weekend. Last night was fantastic. Had a beautiful Mass, which paid homage to Pope Francis after his passing yesterday. So that was beautiful. The Pilgrim's Mass was excellent in Puente la Reina. So anyway, let's see what the Camino brings for today. All right, I'll talk to you later, bye. Interesting, to say the least. Amarillo by morning, up from Santo. Everything that I got is just what I got on. I ain't got a dime, what I got is mine. I ain't rich, but Lord, I'm free. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Absolutely gorgeous, especially with all these little bridges that you cross over that Romans built. Have a look at the work on them. They're just absolutely fantastic and definitely stood the test of time, that's for sure. Anyway, another hill to go up. I'll see you. Oh, when the saints come marching in, oh, when the saints come marching in, oh, Lord, I want to be in that number when the saints come marching in. Wow, is this really true? I've done 100 kilometres. Lovely. Memories, my love? Makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it?
Oh, this is good.
It is good.
Yeah.
Any vino.
What is
Water.
nice?
That is good. There's no banditos through here. It's just a place for them to come out. What do you reckon? Bandito country or not? Wait and see. Hopefully I'll be safe. Hopefully, that is.